Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to set up a Shopify store. By the end of this video, your online store will be ready for customers even if you've never built a website before. Let's get started on your e-commerce journey. First thing first, create your Shopify account. Go to shopify.com, then click Start Free Trial. Answer the quick setup questions or skip them for now and enter your email. Choose a password, then create a store name. Once done, you'll land on your admin dashboard, your store's control center. Just a tip, choose a store name that's memorable and relevant to your products. Now that your account is live, let's get familiar with the place where you'll run your store. Next, take a quick tour of your admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything like products, orders, customers, and reports. You will find orders, products, customers, analytics, and marketing, also apps and settings. Getting comfortable here will make every next step much easier. Once you've explored your dashboard, let's move on to how to create your store and make it look stunning. Now that you know your dashboard, it's time to design your storefront. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Browse Shopify's free themes or visit the theme store for premium options and click Add next to a theme you like. Then click Publish to make it live. Now preview your store and it will look using the Preview button. Just a tip, start simple with a free theme. You can always upgrade later. And with your theme in place, the next step is organizing your store's layout using navigation menus. With your theme applied, now set up your store's navigation. In your admin panel, go to Online Store, then Navigation. Edit menus like your header or footer by selecting them, then click Add Menu Item, give it a name, and link it to a page, product, or collection. Creating clear menus helps our customers find what they're looking for quickly. Now that your store layout is organized, it's time to bring your actual products. Now with your menus ready, click Products on the dashboard, then go to Add a Product. Enter your product title, description, price, and upload photos. When finished, just click Save. Now that your products are ready, set up how you'll get paid. In Settings, go to Payments, then activate Shopify Payments if available in your country. Fill in your business and banking information, then set your store currency. Next, set up your checkout options in Settings, then Checkout. Here you can control shipping, taxes, and customer accounts. With payments ready, your store is now functional, but before launching, let's give it some important supporting pages. Every professional store needs pages like About Us, Contact, and FAQ. Go to Online Store, Pages, then click Add a Page. Give each page a clear title and write helpful content. Once your pages are ready, link them to your navigation menu for easy access. And now that your pages are set, it's time to make your store looks great overall. Now with your main page created, fine-tune your store settings. Go to Settings in your admin panel. Here, you can set your store's time zone and address, adjust tax and shipping rules, also add legal policies like refund and privacy policies. Just a tip, Shopify provides templates for your policies. Feel free to customize them to fit your business. Once your settings are locked in, it's time to enhance your store's functionality. You can extend its capabilities with apps. In your admin, go to Apps, then click on Shopify App Store. Browse apps for reviews, for example, email marketing, inventory management, and live chat support. With your tools ready, let's move on to giving your store a professional address. In your admin panel, go to Settings, then Domains. You can buy a new domain directly from Shopify or connect an existing domain you already own. Before you go live, carefully review everything. Preview your store using your View store button and test your menus, product pages, and checkout process. Make a test order to confirm payments and emails work properly. Just ask a friend or family member to navigate your site for fresh feedback. Now comes the exciting part, launching your store. From your admin, remove password protection in your online store, then Preferences. Click Disable Password to make your store publicly visible. And congratulations, your Shopify store is now live and ready for customers. Starting a Shopify store is a big step, but by following these steps, you're now ready to grow your online business. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions or need help with your Shopify setup. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new store.